What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. So recently I bought this skate park for $30 and I built it, but what I didn't know is it actually gave me 2 of them. So I'm going to unbox this and show you what's inside the box real fast. So let me clear all this off the table. Alright, so that's just some other stuff from that. Alright, so let's open this up. So here's what the box looks like. Just like that. And Peyton, are you gonna unbox with me today? Okay. Alright. Oh, let me get a knife real fast. Alright, got my knife. And I'm probably going to be building this from on the box. That, I just kind of did my own design with, come up the stairs, you hang on the rail, then you do the quarter pipe onto there. Yeah. Alright. Here we go. Ready to open it? Okay. Just put down the knife. Alright. You ready? It's mine. I bought it.
So yours?
Both of them were mine. I got 2 of them for $30.
Oh, that's good one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Whoa. Alright, it is jam-packed full of stuff. That one didn't, I don't think, have this much pieces, but this is like jammed packed.
My feet.
Look at all this stuff, Peyton. A lot of
I
it.
think you will be built.
Build it together. Okay, here.
Make
So the other one came. Yeah, it looks like I get the same exact skateboards, which kind of sucks. But they give us 8 of them. Hey, you want a skateboard? I'll give you a skateboard. I only got 8 of them. I don't use these skateboards. These skateboards are tiny.
So mine matches
Look at them. I got. It came with 8 skateboards.
2. Mine won't count. Just one.
Oh, this one? Okay, let's open that up. She wants this.
Mine was fighting.
The horse is fighting.
A horse.
There you go. That one's all yours. You can lose it and break it or do whatever. Alright, so I'm going to put all these skateboards over there. So now I have a total of 17. Wait, I gave you one. So I only have 15 skateboards in total. I'm going to use my regular one though. Here, can I show a size? Because these ones are like way smaller compared to mine. Alright, so first up we have this piece. I'm guessing that's just like just a railed around. What? Yeah, we're gonna build them. Alright, so it looks like there's an extra set of wheels in there, and I'm guessing the connecting pieces, and then there's also the tool to put on the wheels. Next, that's in here is this piece. I'm not sure what all these skateboarding parts are, but yeah. Let me move this back. So bad, huh? There we go. Alright, and then alright, this piece actually goes on it. Make sure I hear the clicks.
Me too.
Yeah.
We both can sit.
There's 1. There's 2.
That.
There's 3. There's 4. So you can like jump it, and then you can do this.
And this.
Yeah.
Imagine like this.
Alright. There's bubble wrap.
Yep.
Pop. Alright. So now that we got the bubble wrap off, I can see a lot more ramps.
What ramps?
Yeah, there's a lot of ramps.
SOT is I can play.
I just grabbed 2 ramps out.
Button.
They're the exact same. Yep.
What?
So we're going to get all the pieces out, then I'll start building everything.
Hang on.
This next ramp looks a little bit different. It's the one that has the pipe on it. Or the rail, I mean. This is part of the reason I bought the set, is because it comes with a bike. And it also comes with 2 extra wheels and some building pieces, or like to take apart the wheels. I don't know. Then we got this with like some graffiti on it. This piece has all of these rails in it. And it's also the piece that connects to this to make the full graffiti.
We both sit.
Yeah. Staircase.
We both sit.
Another one of the ramps. Here, don't shake the table. This ramp with a hole in. A small staircase, small ramp. Small ramp. Is there anything else? Oh, there's a couple things. Yeah. We got a couple more rails. Let me check what else. Oh, we have one more rail. And we have... Alright, so we got one more rail. Another small ramp. And then... Shoot. Another graffitied box. And those... Or that is everything. Alright, so now I'm going to start building, Peyton.
What?
Ready to start building?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so it looks like first we're going to need that one with the ramp with the hole in it. This. Then we're going to need the graffitied. Where's the other graffiti box? We're going to need this, and it looks like the arrow points. This arrow points that way. So where's the box of all the connected pieces?
We built it.
Yeah.
So we built it. Well, we had a button. Oh, well, my favorite.
You like wheels?
Uh-huh. Because then you put them on.
We'll put them on your skateboard in a second. Right now, let's focus on building.
Hurting. These can't fit on me. So
It's pretty cheaply made, but it works pretty good. So that's the first connected piece, and we're gonna add this to it now.
Oh, okay. We built them. You built it right now, both of them.
Yeah.
You better just have this piece. Here.
This piece does not want to go in. Here, move out of the camera. There we go. There's the first segment. Oh, it looks like we're going to take this big staircase and it's going to go on the other side like that. So maybe like the rails go on it, so maybe you jump off the ramp onto a rail.
I'll do it.
We'll do it when it's all made, when it's fully made.
With that one?
Yeah, so I think these are the rails. Yeah, you can play with that one for now. It doesn't really make, these ones don't make click there. I'll just call it mid. Crap. Make sure I don't break it. Okay, I think it's good. So there's the staircase. It's rails. Now I need to connect it using the little pieces provided. There we go.
Whoa, I won.
And there is one segment. Look at this, Peyton. See this? You got a ramp and you can land on the rails with your skateboard. Alright, I'm not sure what's on the other side, but it looks like there are rails. Like, it shows this rail going right in the front, it looks like. So I need to add that. Yeah? This is hard. I guess it's good that they're like the pieces get stuck on, but it's so hard, and I feel like I'm gonna break it. Yeah, I know, Peyton. You showed me already several times. It's not clicked in all the way, but I'm calling it good. It's good enough for me. So there's also 2 of these little ramps on there. They go right here. Now I'm clicking them all in. I know. All that I figured out how to click this one in. Boom. And there's also one more ramp. I cannot mess up or I'm gonna be so mad at myself. Maybe this rail's for like the bike. For the bike, because like the 2 pedals. It'll make sense when I show you guys with the camera. They're all snapped together. So this rail's weird, and I'm guessing like the 2 pedals maybe like use them as like to go on the rail. I don't know. Like though, that part. I know. Peyton. I know, it's crazy. Next we have to take this ramp, connect it there. So it's gonna look like this. Whoa, just knocked down the box. Alright. I can't, because I can't build it on the carpet. It would be too hard. That's what I'm doing. There, we got our segments in. Oh shoot. There's not a middle piece, it looks like, on the skate park, so good. Why won't this... There! So there we go, full 360 of what it looks like. Now we can move that out of the way because that's its own part. Then it looks like this piece isn't connected to anything, it just goes right from that ramp though. So we'll move that to the other side. Then it looks like... Yeah. I wonder if we use all the parts, because that one that I made, I also made it from a different photo from this advertisement, and it didn't use all the pieces quite yet. Alright, so this one looks like after this piece, it's another ramp. Oh.
But then I can poop.
Okay, go downstairs.
Because I'm holding on.
Sorry about that. I got like a weird sliver. Alright. I'm not sure what's wrong, but it hurts. How did I get glitter on my hands? I don't know. But anyway, this segment goes on to the next graffiti box. So, give that a whirl. Looks like the Y is facing this way. So, we're going to go ahead and... Oh shoot, we need to connect these boxes first. Together. Oh my gosh. My phone is annoying. Or this table is just very shaky. One of the two. There. There. Got our box. And it looks like goes that onto there. Like that. So now, anyways, now it looks like we have these pieces. And it's going to be like the same bike rail trick over there. 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 Then we're adding this rail. It's pretty much just duplicating what we did to that last one. Now this was the rail that was hard to get on. There we go. Got it. So there's the rails and the bike trail trick again. Alright, so it looks like we're taking this small staircase and this brick wall rail. That should just connect together. Just like that. Except it can't be that easy, apparently. Oh, I know why. Mm-hmm.
One could go on the other side.
Yep. There, so like that. And it actually connects to this one small ramp. Like that. Let's go ahead and do that. Perfect. And then that happened. Oh, I might have messed up. Hold on.
I can poop.
Alright, so that does not fit, but let's do the small one. Okay. Alright. Now we connect this to the side of this. Now. this go? Oh, it goes on the staircase, on the little staircase.
So I went on part. Come on, I. So where is it going? Wait, up this. So my dad gone.
That one actually snapped in pretty good. So that's what that side looks like. Looks like on the other side, we're gonna add this. Yeah, and then on the back, we're gonna connect these two ramps together as one, and it goes on the back. Let me go ahead and add some of these pieces.
Steven's just looking at those horses.
So that's one full thing. And this. And this. Well, actually, we need to check under it and make sure. Yep. Did get extra pieces. We'll just add it under this in case I want to make a custom skate park. Okay, it's all done. That's what that box looks like, and then that's what that looks like. Now it's time to get my skateboard. We're not gonna use my big one. We're gonna use the BOAC board. The BOAC board. So let's open this up. We're gonna change the wheels to the yellow and green. I feel like yellow and green would match. Wait. Yes. This board is perfect for the yellow and green wheels. Green wheels up here to match the green wall, and then yellow wheels down here to match this yellow flooring. So we're gonna split the wheels. Yeah? And it does come with extra bolts and screws and nuts. So we can't lose those. Because if I lose them, that's gonna be bad. Do you think these wheels would fit onto this? I'm pretty sure, yeah, they're the exact same wheels. Just this one's more cheaply made. Okay, we cannot lose these screws and bolts though, because they are very tiny. Comes with 2 screws and 2 bolts. Yep, 2 extras of everything, and then 2 different pairs of wheels. So I'm actually gonna put it on this pro finger board. Alright, so let's use this and go ahead and change the wheels. Okay, so I just took off the white wheel, put right there, and we're gonna change my wheels to green or yellow. I'm thinking green. We'll mix it up actually. Wheel 1. I'll come get you guys when all the wheels are done. Those are my new wheels. So let's make sure I don't lose these actual nice ones. Nice white ones. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.